Listing on ASeM market gives companies the opportunity to raise long-term capital at relatively low cost and allowing them to grow and as well institutionalize. Welcome to another edition of the Nigerian Investor. Last week we talked about where to trade, who to trade with part 2. Today we want to talk about the ASeM market and the impact of Omoluabi Savings Loans listings. The Nigerian Stock Exchange in April 2013 officially launches the Alternative Securities Market (ASeM) for emerging small and mid-sized companies with high growth potential, with less stringent and flexible listing requirements set for admission. The ASeM market kicks off with 10 companies, while this segment of the market witnessed the first attraction with the new listing of Omoluabi Savings Loans Plc to take the total number of companies to 11. Companies currently listed in the ASeM market are Asfish PLC, Afric Pharmaceutical PLC, Anino International PLC, Capital Oil, Julie PLC, McNichols PLC, Navitus Energy PLC, Rack Unity Petroleum Company PLC, Rocana Industry PLC, Smart Product PLC, and Omoluabi Savings Loans Plc. A look at the NSE ASeM index performance before and after the new listing reveals that the index lost 1.16% as at 3rd November 2013 as against performance as at 31st December 2013. However, the index has recorded 11.17% gain between Omoluabi Savings Loans listing date and 10th December 2014, while the index year-to-date performance stands at 9.88%. The listing of Omoluabi Savings Loans Plc led to its contribution of about 45.76% to the total market cap of all the stocks listed in the ASeM market, while the newly listed stock is currently the most capitalized stock in the market. Nigerian Plc is ready to hold its AGM on the 18th of December 2014. On corporate actions, Sky Shelter Fund Plc recommended a coupon payment of 5.25 kobo per unit, with payment date set for 16 December 2014. On announcement in the market, WAPCO releases notice of mandatory tender offer on Ashaka Cement. Lafarge Africa PLC has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange of the completion of the block trade in respect of the 58.61% shareholding in Ashaka Cement PLC held by Lafarge Nigeria UK Limited to Lafarge Africa PLC. This block trade has triggered an MTO in accordance with Section 131 of the Investment and Security Act No. 29 of 2007 and Rules 445 of the Securities and Exchange Commission Rules and Regulations, which requires that a mandatory tender offer be made to all other shareholders of a public company by any party that acquires 30% or more of the shares in that company. The company stated that if they announce the terms of tender offer within a week, Fono releases notice of board meeting. Fono Product PLC has notified the exchange that the company's board of directors will meet on Wednesday, 10 December 2014 to, among others, consider the following items. 1. Approval of audited financial statements for the year ended 30th September 2014, closure of registered dates, and convening of 2015 annual general meeting. Vitafoam releases notice of board meeting. Vitafoam Nigeria PLC has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange that the company's board of directors will meet on Thursday, 18th December 2014 to, among others, consider the following items. 1. Approval of audited financial statement for the year ended 30th September 2014, dividend recommendation for the 2014 financial year. 3. Closure of registered date, and 4. Convening of 2015 annual general meeting. On people and changes in board, Nigerian Bureaus PLC appoints Dr. Obadiah Malafia as director. Nigerian Bureaus PLC has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange of the appointment of Dr. Obadiah Malafia, a career economist, banker, and international development specialist with over 25 years experience, currently Chief of Staff of the 80-member African, Caribbean, and Pacific Group of States based in Brussels, Belgium. ETR appoints Dolika Banda, Graham Dempster, and 2 others as non-executive directors. Ecobank Transnational Incorporated has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange of the appointment of 4 new non-executive directors on its 15-member board and the retirement of 1 non-executive director. The new board members are Dolika Banda of Zambia, Graham Dempster of South Africa, Sheila Njewe of Kenya, and Alan Nkutu of Cameroon. The new board members collectively bring in 120 years of experience in banking and finance to the leadership of the world's largest Pan-African bank. CBN releases circular on accredited check printers for Nigerian banks. In furtherance of its mandate to ensure an efficient payment and settlement system, the Central Bank of Nigeria, in collaboration with the MICA Technical Implementation Committee (MTIC), conducted the accreditation of the check printers in Nigeria for 2014. This was in line with the provisions of the Nigerian Check Printer Association Scheme qualification criteria. At the end of the exercise, the following check printers were accredited to print checks and other debit pool paper instruments on categories A and B for the Nigerian market. 1. Nigerian Security and Printing Company PSC. 2. Triple G and Company PSC, Superflux International Limited, and Euphoria Group Limited. That's all we have for you on this edition of the Nigerian Investor. I remain your regular anchor until I come your way again next week. Bye for now.